This is the Folksinger, and today I'm not focusing, at least in this video, I'm not focusing on musical instruments like the guitar or the Chapman stick or the piano, because I want to focus on the human voice and the production of relative pitches. By relative pitches, I mean if you start on any given pitch, for instance, you can sing it as do, or you can sing it as one. You will be able to find in the do, re, mi scale, or in the major scale, the pitch that you would consider the third pitch, or the fourth, or the fifth, or the sixth, or the seventh of that scale. I assume that you know that there are 12 possible semitones, each one a different pitch, that compose all of the tones we use. So if you counted from 1 to 12 and sang all those tones, you'd get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then 13 would be the same as 1. When you divide those pitches by certain steps so that you've eliminated 5 of them, and you only have 7 pitches, you get what we call the do, re, mi scale. We can sing it as do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, and then do is the repeat. Or we can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, or 8 being the octave above the note that we started from. Let's start with the note that I was just singing, which is 1. Now, if you sing the 7 tones or pitches of the scale, the do, re, mi scale, you'll get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But between the 1 and the 2, the 1 and the 2, there's something that you skip. So it's 1, skip, 2, and then it's 2, skip, 3, then it's 3, and don't skip, to get 4, and it's 4, skip, 5. That is, to get 5, you must skip something between 4 and 5. That's the one we just called skip. And again, between 5 and 6, you get 5, skip, in order to get to 6. And again, you must skip to get to 7, and then you don't have to skip to get to 8, because 8 will be the same as 1. Now, we should be able to do that from any pitch. So let's just try it. Okay, I'm going to pick a pitch, not the same one that I picked before, and I'm going to try to go from 1 to 3, and that's called a third. Okay, here we go. 1. Let that set in my head. 1. I have to skip a couple things to get to 3, and I know which ones to skip. 1, 3. And if I go from that 3 to 5, I have to skip some again. I'll get 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. Those are very useful because they are forming a major chord. And if I were going to sing a song like, well, I come from Alabama with, I would have to do 1, 2, 3, 5, 5, and then a 6, 5, 3, 1. And you hear those 1s and the 3s and the 5s coming a lot. What I'm suggesting is you do this. Take a pitch. 1, and try to hit 3. And if you don't quite hit it, try to go back down to 2. Can you produce 1, skip, 2, skip, 3? Practice. 1, skip, 2, skip, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3. No skip between 3 and 4, but a skip to get to 5. And then practice 1, 3, 5. and then put the other ones in between to see how many of them you can do accurately. You should, after some practice, be able to do 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 4, 4, skip 5, 1, skip 2, 2, skip 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 4, 4, skip 5, skip 3, skip 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 5, 3, 5, 2, 5, 1. Now you can do it with do, re, mi too, of course. You do do, mi, so, do, re, mi, fa, so, do, skip, re, skip, mi, no skip to go to fa, but a skip to get to so, do, fa, do, mi, do, re, skip, mi, no skip to fa, skip to do. It's kind of fun because there are all these little places where we can trip and fail and get it wrong. Don't worry about that. It's a practice. And practice after a while will result maybe not in perfection, but in something better than we did before. And you can always take a piano or a guitar or something and get near it and start playing some of those notes and use them as reference points. Okay? Do, re, mi, fa, so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's relative, so anywhere you can start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do, re, mi, fa, so. Do, mi, so. 1, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do, mi, so. Do, re, mi, fa, so. 1, 3, 5. 1, 2. 1, skip, 2, skip, 3. No skip for 4, but a skip to get to 5. And I'm doing this kind of quietly because I don't want to wake anybody up. You could do it quietly or noisily, but the important thing is to do it.